don't know what this is. You know what that means? Hey yo, what's good you guys? It's Jason, week 12 into FPV. Let's go. Woo! I'm at North Table Mountain, about to film some really cool shots with some flowers and stuff. There's like a wildflower super bloom supposed to be going on. Let's check it out. Woo! Do a little bit of hiking. Let's go. Look at all the cows, oh my God, so cute. Alright, trail's over here, you guys. I'm gonna be walking for a little while to get to the cool spot, but it's gonna be amazing. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Just causing trouble with these clouds. All mountains in the background too. Woo! It's a little windy. Still strolling, still strolling. We're almost to a spot here. Yeah, wow, look at all these flowers. Look at those flowers, you guys. God damn. Rolling hills, cows everywhere. Just need a spot. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to climb to the top of this. And we're gonna send a pack. All right, you guys, on the top of the tree. First pack, let's go. Woo! Plugging in. You know what that means? Back on the trail, oh my God, it's so beautiful. I would send it right here if there weren't so many people walking by. Oh my God. All right, let's keep going. Little waterfall. Still gotta find the big one. That's what we're here for. All right, we're going in the woods. Woo! Love being in the woods. Doing a real hike again, man. This is awesome. Real hikes. Actually in the forest. Actually doing something. Nice. Damn, bro. Now we're at the bottom. Woo! Jeez. Oh man, the air is so fresh, dude. Nice. They have like a field trip or something over there. That's hella fun. Back in the woods on the way to the real waterfall. Back on top of the hill, out of the woods, making our way, making our way. Beautiful ravine, oh my God. Oof. God. There's the waterfall. Oof. Oh my God, my heart's sinking. Yes, sir. Heading down this way, try to see if we can get to the inside of the ravine. We should be able to fly from under it. Just a little bit of a tough hike on the way down. I'll see you guys on the other side. Woo! Yeah, we are in the thick of it down here. True adventuring. As long as I don't catch an arrow in the knee, I'm good. Get to the bottom and see this beautiful view of the waterfall from the bottom that nobody else is looking at. It's gonna be so cool. Let's go. Actually got ropes. Yeah, boy. All right, we're going down. We made it. There's the underside. So cool. All right, I'm gonna keep getting closer. This is the coolest spot ever, you guys. As long as a rock doesn't fall on my freaking head, I'm good. Wow. Wow. Quite the deep ravine here. Quite the ravine. All right, you guys, I'm at the next spot. Gonna send a pack. Woo! Let's go under the waterfall. Dude, oh my god, let's freaking go. Oh my god, that was insane, you guys. Did you see that tunnel? What the heck was that? Yeah, I don't know if there's any animals in there or something. It's huge, and there's like a weird like drawing on the front. Yeah, that's why we've got the drone. I'm not getting any closer, man. Any crazy worshippers or something in there, man. You don't want to mess with those tunnels. Okay, let's get out of here. I lied, you guys, we had to check out the tunnel. Oh my god, I got a lot of people signing their name on the wall and stuff. That's really cool. But yeah, this is what the drone just saw underneath the waterfall. We're heading up to this little cave right here. It had like a drawing on it. Hope there's nothing in here. I don't know what this is. It's a cave to nowhere, bro. Bro. What the heck? Okay, well, it's just a pit. That's hella cool. Damn, crazy people. Sweet. I found the cave. That's cool. All right, we're gonna go back to the trail, climb back up the rope. Super cool. I thought it was an animal. Nope, it's man-made. Climb up this rope. Yeah, nothing special, just a rope. Woo. Halfway up there. Woo. All right, we made it. Oh, tripping everywhere. Keep going, keep going. Woo. We made it back on top. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna have to head back to the trail. It's way too windy to fly a drone. These are like 20-mile-per-hour winds at this point. I can't handle it, just for my own safety. Woo. All right, let's get back on the trail. Let's go, let's go. Woo. Back to the parking lot. We're almost back to the car. Let's go. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Woo! Thanks for staying tuned all the way till the end. If you haven't already, make sure you smash the like button because you know it helps the algorithm. And make sure you also subscribe because you know there's more content coming. Woo! Say goodbye to the cows. Bye, cows. Bye, cows. Bye, cows. Peace.